Well, hello again everybody, welcome back, and today we have a Sargent challenge lock pinned by PickME 1977. It's a 6-pin, quite nice bitting on it, works all okay. All it'll turn at the moment because of the tail piece, but that's enough to open it. Sometimes a little bit awkward getting the key out, so let's give this one a try. Just turn that fraction, that's better. Right, top of the keyway, Mad Bob's 1.2 and the Sparrow's SS Dev deep hook, and medium tension on here to start with, and we'll see how we go. Alright, 1, 2, a couple of clicks, 3, a little click, 4, nothing, 5, 6, nothing on 1. I've got to stick that in there. Stop that bottom getting any worse than it already is. Right, 1, 2, 3. Right, I click on 3 and we got a very slight false set. Right, 4. 1 click on 4, and again, well, I think we've still got that full set. 5, 5 solid, 6 solid, 1. Right, we've got another nice click on 1. There's 2. 3's dropped. There we go, we've got that full set back. 4. That was 5. Got a little bit more of a full set. Click on 6, feels like about it. So 1, that's just me slipping on the pin. 2, 3, 4. Isn't feeling quite right. Counter rotation. That was 4. We've still got that deep set, or deepish. 5. Got to click back on that. 6. Click on that. And we've now got quite a nice full set. 2's dropped, and there we go, opened. So let's get this out of here. Get the pinning tray in. Look, see what we've got inside. So there we can see it is fully open. Screw on the back, quite a long screw as well. There's the tail piece. So where are we? Get the pins nearer the top and get a follower. That one looks about right. And there we go. So let's see what we've got. That's serrated, 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 serration with a T-pin, and a serration with a T-pin. Let's just organise those. And also number 3, looks like it's narrowed on the top. Inside the core, it looks like everything is threaded, some of them slightly more than others. There we go, we can see that there. And in here, right, number 1 is a sort of spool. Number 2 is a pin-in-pin. Number 3 is sort of serrated spool. Number 4 is a spool. Let's just get around the other end. It's getting a bit deep in there. And number 6 is a T-pin. And number 5 is another T-pin. So all the springs look the same. Oh no, we've got a steel one in there. Should have taken those out in order. So, I don't think it's really going to make a lot of difference. Unless maybe that one was on there. So there's our pin-in-pin. So inside there, I can't see anything. All looks, can't see any threads or anything in there. So let's have a look at these pins. So in one, a serrated key pin and then sort of a long spool. Number 2 we had serrations on the key pin and the pin-in-pin with some serrations on the outer part by the looks of it. Serrated in 3 with narrow top and sort of a serrated barrelish pin in the top. 4 we've got serrated on the bottom with a spool in the top. 5 serrated T-pin on the bottom, T-pin on the top, and the same in number 6. So quite a nice selection of pins in there. So that was PickME 1977's Sargent challenge lock. That was sent to me by Randy Perkins. Thanks a lot, Randy. That was a fun one to pick. Anyway, see you again soon. Bye.